and I mean it.
Oh, you mean it now. If you mean it later, I'll be sorry.
Fanny, can't you see you're making a fool out of yourself?
No. Eddie, I only know one way to operate. If something is right for me, I do it. And this is right for me.
But is it right for Nick?
Well, I'll make it right for him.
Take my advice. Don't.
Don't tell me. Don't! Don't tell me not to live, just sit and butter. Life's candy and the sun's a ball of butter. Don't bring around a cloud or rain on my parade. Don't tell me not to fly, I simply got to. If someone takes a spill, it's me and not you. Who told you you're allowed to rain on my parade? I'll march my band out, I'll beat my drum. And if I'm fanned out, you're turning bad, sir. At least I didn't fake it, sir. I guess I didn't make it, but whether on the rose of sheer perfection or freckle on the nose of life's complexion, the cinder or the shiny apple of its eye, I gotta fly once, I gotta try once, only if that one's right, sir. Ooh, life is juicy, juicy, and you see, I gotta find my point, sir. Get ready for me, love, cause I'm a comer. I simply gotta march my odds and drama. Don't bring around a cloud or rain on my parade. I'm gonna live and live now. Get what I want, I know how. One roll for the whole shebang. One blow, that bell will go clang. Eye on a target and wham. One shot, one gunshot and bam. Hey, Mr. Ornstein, here I am. I'll march my band out. I will beat my drum. And if I'm fanned out, you're turning bad, sir. At least I didn't fake it, hat, sir. I guess I didn't make it. Get ready for me, love, cause I'm a comer. I simply gotta march my hands and drum.